to Social Superstar. My name is Hannah and I'm 9 years old, and today I'm doing something epic. But before I get started, I want you guys to go down there and turn that subscribe button great, because great is the way. And give this video a huge thumbs up and turn on the post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's get started. Hey friends, and welcome to Star Talkies. Having more than one special talent is amazing. I have here a very powerful icon who has inspired most of us. Let's welcome the very khubsurat Aisha Umar. Hi Aisha auntie.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Would you like to go ahead and introduce yourself?
But right now I'm very inspired by you. You know, you were talking about how other people inspire you. I'm very inspired by the way you just spoke. That was really nice.
Thank you.
So I like to call myself an artist, which means that an artist creates anything, which is an expression.
Yeah.
So I create content for my YouTube channel. That's being an artist. You're an artist too. And I went to an art college जहाँ पे मैंने painting पढ़ी थी. Yeah, so I'm actually a painter, which is an artist, a fine artist.
Wow.
Yeah, and then I started acting and hosting, and I also sing, and I did a lot of theatre. I did a lot of puppetry. Do you know what puppetry is?
Puppets?
Yeah, the art of making puppets. So I made puppets, and I used to do puppet shows.
Puppets.
Yeah, and I used to do puppet shows.
Yeah.
And then I did mime. Do you know what mime is?
Yeah, they're mostly in Paris, I guess. Yeah. The mimes.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're right. But mime is basically acting without saying anything.
Yeah.
So आप अपने मुंह को बिल्कुल बंद रखते हैं, and you just do actions. And you explain whatever you want to say with actions.
Ooh.
So I did that also. Yeah.
I think it's hard for me not to talk.
Okay, I know you're dying to talk. It's hard for me not to talk. Now, two people who like to talk a lot are sitting in front of each other. This is going to be tough, right?
Yeah. So I have a lot of questions planned for you.
Okay.
So let's begin.
Yes. Okay.
So Aisha auntie, how did you start acting? Did you want to grow up and be an actor?
No, I wanted to grow up and be a painter only. Actually, when I was really young, I wanted to be a ballerina, like all little girls do. Then I wanted to be a figure skater.
Yeah.
You know, we used to watch a lot of figure skating. I also wanted to be a teacher. You said you wanted to be a teacher,
Yeah,
right?
I wanted to be a teacher.
That'll change soon. I wanted to be a teacher. There is still a bit of a teacher in me. I still teach people things, how to do things. But I started acting because Meri Phuppo, my aunt, she was very good friends with someone who was on television, like you know, she was like a producer on TV.
Yeah.
तो उन्होंने वो ड्रामास बनाती थी और उसमें बच्चों के कैरेक्टर्स होते थे.
Yeah.
तो they used to get me to do some of those. So I was a child star. And then I started hosting a show when I was 8 years old. और उसका नाम था मेरे बचपन के दिन. ठीक है. तो उसमें मैं और एक मेरी कज़न और एक ओल्डर खातून, हम तीन होते थे, and we used to have guests, really famous guests, like really big names. और ये शो चलता था PTV पे. Okay, PTV was the only channel at that time.
Yeah.
And I used to ask these really adult questions, just like you know, कि फिर आपने पहली दफ़ा ये कब किया, फिर आप पैदा कहाँ हुए, so इस type के questions.
Yeah.
Get it. So that's how I started being in front of TV, and I started acting. फिर मैं college गई, फिर college में मैंने और projects kiye, and then people noticed me.
So you mean as a child you did this show?
Yeah, I did, and I did some dramas.
Everyone knows you as an actor, but few know that you are a multi-talented woman.
Ooh.
So,
Do you think I'm one?
yeah.
Okay. What talents do you know of me?
What talent
I want to know, yeah. What
do you
talent
like to do the most? Being an actress, model, a singer, or a painter?
So if I had to pick one, I enjoy singing the most.
Yeah.
And I also really used to enjoy painting when I used to paint. Acting takes a lot out of you know, because you're emoting these emotions. आप रो रहे हैं, आप हंस रहे हैं, आप गुस्से में हैं, आप sad हैं, तो वो actually आपकी body पे वो emotions affect करते हैं, right? तो it's exhausting. And then you know, आप हर किस्म की environment में हैं, you're around a lot of different people, मुख्तलिफ लोगों की energy है, तो painting तो आप अकेले करते हैं.
Yeah.
It's very peaceful.
Yeah, you have.
Yeah. So I think I like painting and singing.
You have won many awards. So how's it like to be a winner?
I haven't won many. I would like to win more. Inshallah. I hope I do win more. But actually that goes against what I'm going to say. Winning is not something that, I mean, everybody likes to be appreciated for things, but winning is not the goal. The goal is enjoying the journey.
And being
because at the end of the day, if you just have a set of awards lying somewhere and you keep looking at them on some shelf, that's not going to give you as much happiness as the things that you did, the fun that you had, the people that you met. So the idea is to enjoy things. If something is not giving you happiness, stop it. Don't do it.
Most of the times you must be busy. So how do you like to spend your weekends? Do you like to hang out with friends, relax at home, or work out?
I do not work out on the weekends at all. Weekends पे तो कोई exercise नहीं करती. I think the only exercise I might get on a weekend is dancing or swimming in the sea. That's exercise. So I like to hang out with my friends on Fridays and Saturdays. Usually I'm working till late on Friday and Saturday. Then I'll hang out with friends, but on Sunday I go to the beach. Yeah.
Every Sunday?
Every Sunday. And the one Sunday that I don't, I'm really depressed and I'm angry at myself. Because I'm like, why did I give this Sunday to someone else? It's mine. So I go to the beach and I hang out there, I swim, I walk barefoot on the sand.
Yeah.
I put my feet in the water. Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Being a style icon, you must be keeping up with the fashion trends, right? Always making sure you're beautiful.
Actually, I don't really keep up with fashion trends as much as I would like to. There are a lot of other people who I think are more trendy. I don't really follow too many trends. I just wear whatever I feel looks good to me. कभी-कभार trends भी follow कर लेते हैं. For example, if sequins are trending, I will try and wear sequins. Or high-waisted jeans are trending. So, you know, when you go shopping, you would pick up whatever's popular. क्योंकि वो ही मिल रहा होता है ना store में उस वक्त. So, I try to keep up with trends as much as I can. And as for looking beautiful, I think that credit goes to makeup. But no, I also like to eat well. So you are what you eat. तो जो आप खाएंगे वो आपके ऊपर नज़र आएगा. तो अगर आप अच्छा healthy खाना खाएंगे, अगर आप fruits खाएंगे ज़्यादा, अगर आप vegetables खाएंगे, अगर आप non-processed food खाएंगे, which means जो fresh बना है, आपके घर में बना है, तो आप ज़्यादा अच्छे लगेंगे. So yeah, all of that, it might feel good, but it's not going to make you look good. No. So no pain, no gain.
How long does it take you to decide what to wear? You must be having so many clothes and shoes, so is it confusing sometimes?
Yes, it is. and sometimes I'm going crazy deciding what to wear.
Really?
Yeah, I am. But most of the time, I know exactly what I want to wear. So I know where it is, and I've organized my cupboard according to my, like, at any given time, if someone's like, find a pair of light blue ripped jeans, I know exactly where to look. So that if I have to rush somewhere last minute, right? And I have like so many clothes to choose from, I know exactly कि मुझे वो necklace वहाँ से मिल जाएगा, वो जूता वहाँ से मिल जाएगा. It's in my head.
Sorted.
Yeah, I keep sorting things out all the time at night.
How do you think kids should help make
the world a better place? Yeah? Okay. Well, kids actually do make the world a better place without even doing anything, by just existing. Their energy, like I said, their purity, their honesty, because बच्चे जो हैं वो किसी से डरते नहीं हैं, हाँ? मतलब they're scared of the dark and they're scared of ghosts, but they're not scared of like saying what they feel, right? So I like that kids say what they want, and adults think that kids don't understand too many things, right? But they understand everything, I know that. A few things that kids can do is that they can try and start with little things like cleanliness, like making things cleaner, like keeping your environment cleaner, and it starts from It starts from your own house, your own room, and then to your country, outside, your neighborhood. So you can help make the world cleaner by picking up things. And if every child started picking up their own trash, that would be great. So एक तो ये हो गया कि आप litter कम करें. दूसरा, if you started eating less junk, which is if you watch less TV, you'll watch less ads for those junk, and you'll get less attracted to those horrible things. So watch films and watch TV shows and watch cool things on YouTube, but don't watch television too much. Okay? And try and read a lot. Try and read as much as you can. I grew up reading a lot. We didn't have iPads, we didn't have internet, we didn't have phones. Imagine what life was like before that. Yeah, it all came in my life. I am that generation that saw everything come.
Really?
Yeah. I saw a CD player come in, then the internet came, then phones came, then iPads came, so it all happened in front of me. And as much as it's fun, it can be really, really bad for your focus. So kids can also indulge in a lot of physical activity as much as they can, which means that they will, आपकी energy जो है वो वहाँ ज़्यादा direct हो रही होती है.
And you
help around the house.
And then you get addicted to do the same thing again and again.
Yeah, whatever. So a better word for that is it becomes a habit. A habit is like a pattern. अगर आप कोई भी चीज़ 40 times करते हैं, now this is scientific, so your brain makes it into a habit for you. So कोई भी नई चीज़.
And you just keep wanting to do that.
Yeah. So like if you want to make your bed every day, just keep doing it every day. And by the 42nd day, you won't even have to think about it. You'll get up and do it, and you become a reflex action. So help around the house as much as you can. Be kind to everybody. Be very respectful of your elders and your parents, and know that whatever they're telling you is for your own good. Yeah. And one day you'll be a parent too.
So now I think it's going to be something that you will enjoy a lot, because we're doing our rapid fire.
How do you know I'll enjoy it?
Because I have a lot of cheeky questions.
Ooh. Okay, yes. I love cheeky questions. Let's do it.
Your favorite place on earth?
That's a really big question. On earth? My bedroom. It's my favorite place on earth. Yeah. I miss my bed and my bedroom the most. Yeah. Obviously, that's
because at night you're just sleeping on your bed, you're comfortable, and then you just.
But I would want my mother in it too sometimes, you know. Like, I mean, all the time. So yeah, my favorite place on earth would be my room, my bedroom, with my mother's bedroom next door. Not sleeping with me. I want to sleep.
That's what happens. That's what my bedroom's like. So me and my brother have
with
our
anybody.
bedroom, and then it's connected to our parents' bedroom.
Perfect.
Lipstick or lip gloss?
Lip gloss.
If you were out for shopping, what would you pick first, shoes or bags?
Shoes.
I think shoes because
shoes.
You and I are alike.
Yes, I can
in a lot of ways.
A lot of ways. I think we can be really good friends.
If you have a favorite cartoon character?
I've had lots of favorite cartoon characters. Yeah. You might not know some of them because they probably existed before you were born. Pink Panther was one of my favorite cartoon characters.
Yeah, my brother and I sometimes only put Pink Panther because our parents told us about it. Then
yeah, I used to have one. I used to sleep with it. It was my best friend, my Pink Panther.
What would you like to store for the rest of your life?
So what I basically need to live for the rest of my life would probably be something really healthy to eat. Like a fruit, maybe. Peaches. If I had to store one thing, I would store peaches. Or dark chocolate.
What annoys you the most?
Annoys me the most? It does. When people do not want to work on their full potential and they think it's alright. No, that annoys me because everyone can do better.
Would you rather have a magic carpet that flies or a personal robot?
Magic carpet any day. I don't want a robot. I'll do everything myself.
I would like a magic carpet you can explore.
Yeah, go places. I don't want to be stuck with a robot in my room. I want to fly.
You could see the world maybe in a day or two and be just wow.
Yeah, or just see one place every day. You know, why hurry up? I could just be in different places every 2-3 days.
What do you enjoy the most? Watching stories or posting stories on Instagram?
I like watching stories. Yeah. Posting stories is tiring.
I don't have a phone, so I would like creating stories.
Yeah, that's great. I also like creating them. I'm a storyteller.
If you could choose a nickname, what would it be?
I already have 2 nicknames. You know, one is Jax. I know it's a really silly nickname, but my best friends और वो सारी रहती हैं लाहौर में, मेरी स्कूल फ्रेंड्स बचपन की, वो सब मुझे जैक्स बुलाती हैं. Jax, Jacko, Jack, different versions of the same name.
Your favorite cheat meal?
Coffee. No. I love eating chips, potato chips. Yeah, at night when I'm watching TV shows and movies, and microwave popcorn.
Unlimited airline ticket or never pay at any restaurant?
A limited airline ticket? What does that mean?
Unlimited.
Unlimited. What do you think?
Unlimited airline ticket because you go around a lot.
Yeah, and I don't want to go to restaurants for my food. I'll make it myself. I don't like eating out that much
too, because like if you get an unlimited airline ticket, that will be really
yeah, unlimited airline ticket any day.
Okay, so that brings an end to our rapid fire round.
That's it?
Yeah.
I was having fun with these questions.
Me too.
Why don't you ask some questions from your own without the cards? Anything else you want to ask me? Anything? Maybe I should ask you something.
Sure.
So what do you want to be when you grow up? Teacher. What do you want to teach?
Dance class maybe, or maybe English.
English? Yeah, your English is very good. It is good. So, Urdu कैसी है आपकी?
Normal maybe.
Good or normal?
No.
Not good.
Normal. I mean, it's good, and sometimes when I get nervous, then it just gets bad automatically. So I'm okay with it.
Okay,
There's no good or
come on,
bad.
let's talk in Urdu for the next 5 minutes. जब मैं छोटी थी, I think आपकी एज की, तो मुझे भी उर्दू ज़्यादा में बोलना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं था. तो मेरी अम्मी रोज़, and I'm not kidding, every day on छुट्टीज like summer vacations for 2 hours I would have to, मुझे उर्दू में loud reading करनी होती थी किताबों से. और वो मेरी मतलब दिन के सबसे पेनफुल 2 घंटे होते थे. अब मैं रोती थी, मैं शक्लें बनाती थी, और फिर मैं अटक देर लगा के पढ़ती थी, और मैं जितनी देर लगाती थी टाइम उतना डबल होता जाता था. सो माई मदर यूज्ड टू मेक मी रीड इन उर्दू. बट उन सारी चीज़ों ने हेल्प किया, यू नो, वो सारी चीज़ें जो बचपन में आपको सिखाई जा रही होती हैं, क्योंकि अब मुझे स्क्रिप्ट्स पढ़नी होती हैं उर्दू में, और बाकी लोग नहीं पढ़ पाते, और मैं बड़ी आसानी से पढ़ सकती हूँ.
मेरी भी स्कूल में जो एलिक्यूशंस होते हैं, उनमें भी कभी कभार मेरी वो एलिक्यूशन में मुझे जो पोम मिलती है, यूजुअली आई थिंक मेरी जितनी भी एलिक्यूशंस हुई हैं उनमें मैं हर में चूज हुई हूँ. और क्या होता है कि जब हमें उर्दू की पोम मिलती है तो हाँ, मुझे भी मजा आता है.
पोम को उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं? Look at me, नज़म. Exactly. तो जब भी आपको उर्दू की नज़म मिलती है तो फिर क्या होता है?
तो मेरा वो अच्छे से निकल जाता है, मुझे मज़ा आता है.
मुझे मेरी अम्मी ने जो एक नज़म रटवाई थी जब मैं बच्ची थी, जो हर जगह जाके कहती थी चलो ये नज़म सुनाओ, वो थी अल्लामा इकबाल की.
कौन सी?
एक पहाड़ और गुलेरी.
Yes, I got that for my elocution and I won first place.
So did I. Oh my God, I won first place as well. और मैं पूरे एक्शंस के साथ सुनाती थी. You too? Come on, let's do it.
कोई पहाड़ ये कहता था एक गिलहरी से, तुझे हो शर्म तू पानी में जाके डूब मरे. तेरी बिसात है क्या मेरी शान के आगे, जमीन है पस्त मेरे आन बान के आगे. जो बात मुझ में है तुझे वो नसीब कहाँ, भला पहाड़ कहाँ जानवर गरीब कहाँ.
It's okay, you can go over it again, you have time. And when I was 8 years old, which is आपसे भी 1 साल छोटी थी, तो मैंने पहली दफ़ा जो सबसे मुश्किल गाना, बिकॉज मैं सिंगर भी थी और मैं स्कूल के क्वायर में थी. You know what a choir is? Okay, a choir is a group of people who sing together. तो हमारा स्कूल का क्वायर था जिसमें बहुत सारे डिफरेंट ग्रेड्स के स्टूडेंट्स थे, और मैं उसकी फ्रंट रो में होती थी. तो हम हर साल there was a big like you know arts council, Alhambra arts there's arts council in Karachi. तो प्लेस जहाँ पे प्लेस होते हैं और लोग देखते हैं बैठ के, थिएटर. So we used to go every year to this massive hall. Okay, cool. So बोल के लब आज़ाद है तेरे, बोल के लब आज़ाद है तेरे, बोल ज़बां अब तक तेरी है, तेरा सुतवा जिस्म है तेरा, बोल के जां अब तक तेरी है. I can't do more. I'm tired. It's me go. Thank you.
I loved it.
Thank you.
And I don't want you to leave. But thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.
I had a lot of fun and I'm sure you guys did too. And do comment below and let me know who you would like me to interview next. Till then, take good care and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Social superstar.
Can I do this too?
Sure.
How does it? Social superstar.